flame after flame. This ain't no fucking game, nigga, what a fucking shame. I told you niggas that I kill like Rambo. Never want the shit, I got packed in the fucking Lambo, dark as fuck.
Yo, what's good, pimps? Welcome back to another video. I'm sorry I haven't filmed in a minute. Honestly, that last video was filmed a long time ago. From my perspective, I don't know, recently guys, I've been dealing with a lot of like disassociation, kind of, if that's the word to explain what I'm about to explain. So basically my mind has constantly been in and out of reality lately, and I don't know if it's, you know, my sleep schedule that's fucking me up. I'm still trying to figure all that out. It doesn't happen often, but recently it's been happening more frequently. I just kind of forget what time it is, and today's Friday. I didn't even know today was Friday. I thought today was like Wednesday, and it's kind of been fucking with my head, bro. But you know, I'm just trying to stay focused and, you know, keep grinding and all that stuff, because I don't have time to, you know, worry about my health. I'm joking. I don't have time to, you know, focus on other stuff. But other than that, I haven't really been doing much lately, bro. Today I had to drive all the way back to College Station, which is like an hour and a half away from where I live, and kind of pick up all the old shit I left there. So like I left a desk and like a couple clothes. But I actually made a very exciting purchase recently, and I ended up buying a PC. So without you guys, you know, supporting me and all that stuff, I wouldn't be able to do this. And I think it'll be really cool, bro, because I'm gonna start streaming. I want to do streaming on like a frequent basis. So hopefully like every night I can stream. You know, it doesn't always have to be video games. It could just be me talking to you. So I'm pretty excited about that. I've been wanting to get a computer for a very long time. It's just back in the day I couldn't afford it. But since you guys have been supporting me and all that stuff, it's nice, because, you know, I can just invest more into my content and, you know, put out more content for y'all. So that's what this shit's about. I hope y'all have had a great day or night, at whatever time you're watching this. I'm here with Ricky, which y'all are gonna meet very, very soon, but he's gonna help me build my PC. The boy clutched up, because he's the one that actually helped me create the build and all that stuff, because I don't know anything about PCs. I'm not like a tech genius, but I'm learning. You know, that's what it's about. It's about learning. But we're gonna meet up with them upstairs, build this fucking PC, get a nice back session in today. Crazy. Also, your boy recently just joined Ryse, bro. I haven't made that statement, or I haven't told y'all that for my YouTube family, but I ended up leaving Gorilla. Nothing bad towards Gorilla. I will always love Gorilla. Tristan and Derek treated me perfect. I have nothing bad to say about them. But so the reason why I joined Ryse is, so when I first initially joined Gorilla, I honestly didn't know anything about Ryse, and in my head I heard that Ryse had like, you know, like a mid rep, because of, you know, the people I'd hang around with in this industry, and that's what they would tell me. And so I never tried it for myself. But when I went to Arizona and hung out with Josh, Cousin Crypto, as y'all know, he let me try some of the Ryse stuffs, and bro, at that moment I fell in love. Like, I've never tasted a pre that is so good that it makes me want to drink it slow. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, the Ryse ring pop is crazy. And, you know, if you want to try it, code Jerm now, which is so fucking sick, bro. And like, just going back to another thing, fucking thank you so much for y'all's support, bro, because without it, I wouldn't be anything. Like, I felt, you know, going back to the previous video, I felt so alone for a very long time and very like misunderstood. And, you know, now that we've built such a great community of people and we have a fucking army, like, guys, you watching this, just know you're never alone. You can always reach out to me, and you can always reach out to the Discord, and you can always reach out to the people in the Discord. And, you know, that's something I'm very proud of. You know, I feel like we've built such a great community, a community of people that, you know, have felt the same way and have gone through the same experiences and have learned the same things. That now we have a fucking army, bro, which is so sick. I love it. But okay, enough bragging about y'all. I'm gonna go upstairs. We're gonna say what's up to the boys, because we got the two geniuses helping me build a PC. So let's get it. So we're back in my room. Dude, I fucking cleaned this up. This is the boy Ricky. He's a go. Dude, look at what he gave me. Show him the Kaneki thing. Oh. So recently my birthday actually passed. It was the 25th. It's not plugged in, but that shit's sick. Kaneki, if you guys don't watch animes from Tokyo Ghoul, that is my favorite character. He's sick as fuck. He does like that thing with his fingers and shit. But also, yo, check out the new regiment dropping, bro. This shit is crisp, son. Yo, if you're gonna bag hella birds, regiment, baby. Actually, I'm gonna put that shit on. Hold this. Co-Jerm, baby. Shout out to one of the germs that gave me this. It was Leo. That off. And then this is another regiment piece, the cross, which is fire. Peep that hoe. Co-Jerm, if you want to support your boy, you know. This is crazy. I'm excited to put this shit on. This is, dude, and this is like heavy. Yeah, bro, it's so sick. I'm gonna hook you up with some. You like gold or silver?
I have silver. I've never owned gold.
I think you look sick, bro.
I could try it on.
But
How would I take?
yo, peep the shit. Fire.
No, yeah, it looks crazy.
Is it nice? And then you gotta, it comes with 2 actually, so you gotta put this one on as well. Yo, is it drippy?
That shit looks
Drippy.
crazy. I'm not gonna lie.
Fire.
Chief Keef playing in the background.
Chief, facts, put it. You already know, we gotta do it.
Go
Get
ahead.
ready, get ready. Chief Keef moment done.
Plays like Finetto.
All right, now we gotta build this PC, bro.
This will be
This is
interesting.
gonna be titties, or titties.
I have OCD with this
huh?
stuff.
Titties. I'm thinking about titties right now. It's gonna be tedious.
Wait, don't fuck up, bro.
Yeah,
I
facts.
feel so bad.
Buy another $500 part. Let's get it.
Okay, we have opened the first box.
We have.
Oh shit.
Where the hose at? Is this bird repellent or bird like magnet?
Repellent, bro.
Bird magnet.
Bird magnet?
For sure.
All right, bet. We're gonna try it. Money off YouTube. For the music. We need good music in our YouTube videos. Guys, I'm not demonic. A female rapper actually gave me this, by the way. I was at a Maxo Cream concert. She threw it to me. I had to like fight like 50 people to get it. It's worth it though. Okay.
Building
Let's get into this
PC.
shit. I'm here for like emotional support, honestly. I gotta be gentle.
No, as long as you don't like punch a pin or something, you'll be straight.
Yo, that shit is tough. For real. That's crazy. Okay, that was mad Quinn.
We have knives here.
I'm not gonna lie, I made my friend put my CPU in. Have you put a CPU in before?
I put mine in, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that's fire.
Careful with that fucker. Holy
Yeah.
shit. Pins. Don't touch the pins.
Oh, don't touch him.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Alright, so if y'all were okay, Jesus, thank you, Jerm. Okay, can you like back it out of my face a little? Okay. You see the little pin, the little triangle?
that shit.
Alright, they can't see it? Okay.
I think it just like faces upright. The brand.
Just gonna set it down on there. Okay, I think I got it. I'm pretty for sure. Alright, who wants to do the honors to see if we did it right?
Bang.
Well, maybe not.
Yeah.
Hey,
Alright, now we're chilling.
Alright, we ran into a slight problem, right, Jerm? But it's
Yeah,
alright.
we don't have a fucking screw.
M2 screw. I don't know where it is.
We'll
I think
have
I'm
to
just stupid and forget.
You want me to do it, Jerm?
Push that joint in a little bit. Yeah, it should click. You already clicked, right?
It didn't
I
click
think
yet.
It didn't?
I think it did. I'm not trying. I don't want to
You want a
like.
flashlight?
Oh.
That's good, that's good, that's good, that's good, that's good.
I think
nice
it's in.
and-
Yeah, I think it's
Why is
in.
it not closing, bro?
It's nice and tight.
It's closed, right?
Oh shit.
Yeah, that's good.
Bang! Good shit, Brian.
Fuck, Brian. It keeps not.
It's not all the way in. Oh my god.
Burn!
Alright. Fucking
This shit's not
look,
clicking.
I'll press
Cause
for
that's what we
them.
do. We don't last hours. We last seconds.
Yeah, installing Windows.
That's a new quote, huh?
Drivers.
Tell them where we're going now.
Oh fuck. We're going to fucking Home Depot or some shit. Those back in the day when I didn't have like. I need some rice pre. Feeling fucking dead right now, Co-Jerm.
Screwdrivers.
Can you show my credit card information?
No,
Guys,
you can't see it.
The last 3 digits of.
Stop. Let me do it. Look.
Bro, it's supposed to.
Yo, Home Depot tripping today. For real.
Oh.
Nice.
Would you like it?
Code Jerm so I can buy more screwdrivers. Bye. Guys, if you scroll on TikTok and you see a very beautiful woman and you look at her comment section, I've most likely commented. So be on the lookout for that.
What's your favorite flavor?
Nah, I get to walk out with this hoe for free.
Yeah.
Because I'm sponsored, right? I'm not gonna lie, I've never tried one.
Which one are you gonna get? I think I'm gonna get ring pop.
I'm gonna get ring pop.
This one's alright. Let's see what this ring pop about.
Ring pop.
Hey.
But does it? It's probably gonna taste like. They dropped it on mine only.
Dude,
What
this
is it?
shit is gas as fuck though. I can't lie. That's like the best energy drink though.
For real?
For real. This one, like, try this.
Oh, damn.
that was good.
Yo, that's crazy.
Kind of tastes like Skittles.
Skittles?
Smarties, okay.
Alright, Tiger's Blood. It's good.
Yeah,
It's not bad. It's good. I wouldn't like say it's like my favorite flavor. I am sponsored by Ryse, don't get me wrong, this shit is fire. But I think the best energy drink I've ever had is the Ghost Sour Patch Kids. That shit, nothing beats
The blue
that.
or the red one.
Facts, we gotta get back to this shit.
Let's get it.
Let's go, man. Hey. Hey. Bro, Lex got me saying that shit. But the magnetic shiznit works. Come on, you gotta do it. Hey.
God damn.
God. God. What the fuck?
You might bust opening this. I'm not gonna lie.
Bust.
We have to be careful with this hoe.
Bro, for sure.
Okay, yeah, there we go.
God damn.
Oh. What
Nice.
the
Keep that in.
fuck?
Facts.
Dude. Oh.
How much did I pay for this?
4.
Bro, I paid 6 something. And he was
Ah.
like,
Oh.
God damn.
Goddamn.
God. Ooh. Hey.
Tell them how
Like,
far we've made it.
We're like 30 hours in. I've been here for emotional support,
I'm not gonna
but
lie.
they've been doing most of the work. So shout out to the boys.
Sam is carrying.
I was carrying. I got this shit in. The
It's just
cooler.
looking sexy though.
Yeah, it is looking nice.
And it's
I think you can
LEDs,
let go
right?
now.
Yep. Oh. All right.
I mean, tell them we just like ate.
We just ate fucking some pasta and shit, Parmesan and shit.
That shit was
It was good.
That was fire. You fucked with it?
Good.
Yeah, mama be cooking up for real. Shout out to my mom. Oh. Imagine I broke this bitch, bro.
You actually had one fall off today.
You're definitely gonna screenshot that. Send it in Discord. Join the Discord.
Alright, let's get it.
Hi, ladies. All right, guys. We are currently 3 days into the PC build. We've basically kind of finished everything except the wiring. Okay, well, my homie Colin's gonna pull up. Colin's a good friend of mine, basically like my brother. So he's gonna help me out because he's built like 30 PCs. And I should have called them, fucking started doing this because it probably would have gone by faster.
Yeah.
So the gangster pulled up. Colin, say what's up.
What up?
Everything right now, does it all look aligned? Does it look good?
Yeah, everything's fine.
3 bottom, and then.
I don't know what that's for.
Crazy. Shout out Summers. I'm here for emotional support, as y'all know.
I'm not gonna lie,
They actually built
we
the whole
lost.
thing.
We lost important stuff, and Jeremy just randomly found it.
So,
That was true.
hey, thanks God. Hey, hey,
Yeah.
hey. What the fuck
Okay,
is this
if
video,
you wanna
bro? I really don't know what this video is. Hey.
It's pretty obvious.
You heard that song? Summer's new album. Go listen to it, guys. Support your local rappers.
What cable management?
How do you feel, Jerm?
I feel fucking awesome, bro. 7 hours deep. You already know.
We got a
Colin
sexy-
did this in like a matter of.
Fuck this shit. I'm done. I'm going home.
Wait,
Have fun.
wait.
Before you go home, bro. So let's bless you up for helping me out.
We love you, brother.
You get to pick out what you want. Love you too, bro.
Cuban.
Cuban, yes sir.
Cuban.
All right, it is currently 1:14 a.m. And we're about to hit a fucking lift, baby. Let's go.
No, we're not done.
Let's go. Oh shit, we're not done.
All right, I don't know how.
I love Meek Mill. Check out the time, 3:05 a.m. We spent, how long did we spend, Ricky?
In the PC, bro, like 9 hours.
9 hours,
It would have
bro.
been like 2 if we had called.
Yo, and also shout out to fucking Ricky. Plug your shit right now, bro.
My Instagram is ricky.ashmore. I've been a supporter of Jeremy since fucking.
He's a go, bro. Tell them the story. I want them to hear the story.
So I had seen him on my TikTok, and then I saw him in Brandon's video. Y'all know how he was in Brandon's video. And I hit my friend up, Caden up. I was like, bro, like, doesn't this kid like, isn't he like from this area? Because I'd seen he'd been doing something like out of the ordinary, and I thought it was sick as fuck. He was like, yeah, he went to 7 Lakes and all that shit. Posted about beast mode, and I'm like, yo, what gym is that? It was like in September. And then came here, it became my main gym, my fucking home. Fucking Alan watched me like grow into a fucking man. And then I met him probably what, like October?
October.
I went up to him. Bro, I was honestly scared to go up to him. I thought, yeah, I don't know why. And then we talked, and then we were talking about him dropping out, taking a fucking leap of faith. I told him he had potential, he fucking did it. And then ran back into him, what, like March?
Yeah, and that's something I want them to hear.
Yeah, so I was planning on going to Blinn in College Station like he did, just because I didn't get an A&M and I was gonna transfer to A&M after like 2 years. But I had gotten into U of H, and then him and Caleb, they were just like, bro, like, stay here, chase your fucking dreams, and, you know, make a sacrifice. The sacrifice I made was not being able to go live with my girlfriend, but like, I believe in myself, she believes in me, y'all believe in me.
Bro.
So I took a leap of faith, and he changed my life. He set me on a path, because I was lost. Like he says, he inspires the lost youth. I was lost.
That's what this shit's about, bro. Seriously, like, sacrifices have to be made to accomplish your dreams and your goals. Ricky didn't necessarily drop out of school. He's going to school in Houston, but he's still, you know, doing what the fuck he wants to do. I necessarily didn't have to drop out of school. I could have gone to school in Houston, but I was just never a school kid, so it just never worked out for me. But in all reality, guys, like, you know what? It's 3:04 a.m. We, all three of us, are tired as fuck. But, you know, we're doing this for y'all. And this is what this shit's about. And this shit, I want this to inspire you to chase your fucking dreams. Listen to your heart. And don't care what no one says, bro.
Yeah.
Who gives a fuck what anyone has to say? Fuck all the haters. Fuck all that bullshit. Fuck whoever is doubting you. You already know. Just chase your fucking dreams, bro. You have nothing to lose. Fuck it. You have to have that mentality. Seriously.
For real. Mom, if you're watching this, I just want you to know I'm not doing anything wrong.
He's not. He's being a good
I'm
kid.
just lifting and chasing my dreams, so you'll understand.
There you go.
You'll understand one day.
There you go. Exactly.
And I still will work my ass off tomorrow and make hella tips and shit.
And also, we're taking fucking Ryse pre.
Yeah.
You already know. Hey. Ryse pre, ring pop. Let them know.
Half scoop.
Half scoop. Half
Well,
scoop.
it's like my main pre, but it's just gas.
Shit's gas as fuck, bro. I'm like delusional right now, but this shit is good. Code Jerm, baby, if you want to support your boy so I can keep making videos like this and shit, and I don't have to go back to school and work at regular ass job and shit. So let's get this back session in. Let's go. Flame after flame, this ain't no fucking game, nigga, what a fucking shame. I told you niggas
that I kill like Rambo. Never want the shit, I got packed in the fucking Lambo. Dark as fuck, buried in the forest. Doubt you'd even notice my Asian bitch beside me as we watch the yearly solstice. Flying through the sky like Aladdin, making all this cash like my nigga James Cameron. Pandora shit, girl bring that back. Pack that shit up on my lap. I see you low-key making moves, I pop a fucking cap, yeah.
All right, guys. Oh, look, John said something. Let's see. So, on that, yeah, you already know. Learning from the best. But guys, that will conclude it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Fucking go check out my boy Rick. I'm serious. Motherfucker's dope as shit. Help me out with my PC. Shout out Colin as well. I love you.
Colin
beautiful.
carried. I helped
Colin
with the
did
build.
Bro, Colin carried in like less than an hour, or like less than 2 hours. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember what I said, seriously. You know, like take in what I say, because what I say is like I want you to take in the information that I'm giving you because of the experiences that I've gone through and the shit that I've learned myself through those experiences. And it's all just helpful, bro. Like all I want to do is honestly just inspire y'all and make y'all better people if I even can. Or you know, this video could touch someone, bro. Seriously, like it could save someone's life. It could, you know, make someone take that next step to, you know, accomplish their goals and their dreams and all that stuff. So, you know, chase your fucking dreams, follow your heart, bro, and the world is yours, baby. Where is where will prosper.
Chase your fucking dreams. Get it.